Now, I introduce you our another heavy design back carrier for 4-inch receiver. It's 2 inches, the standard size. And the material is steel. The popular color is black, like the sample. And here, you can adjust the button to fix different back sides. The top clamp and the wheel support both can fit 4.8 inches back tire. The max loading is 60 kilograms and each bike is 30 kilograms. Here you can push the handlebar to keep the tilting, the leg tilting like this. Now the leg is tilting, then you can open your trunk. Then put it again, turn back. Now, if you want to fold up your back leg, you can also put the handlebar again, like this. Like this, then the back carrier can fold up, then save your space. Yeah, like this. It's very small now.